have to do my geometry homework. So let me pull up my geometry homework. Okay, parallelograms. So I need to go to page 169. Okay. So I have my theorems, definitions, postulates sheet here in case I need it. And I'm ready to go. All right, 21. I don't remember how to do this type of problem. So maybe, let me look back at my notes. Maybe we did a problem. Oh, we did a problem just like it today. Okay, so I'm gonna look at this. I'm gonna do 21 while I'm looking at this. Okay, I see that I set those values equal to each other, and then I solve for x. Okay. All right. Okay, good. All right, I know how to do that problem now. Maybe I should do another one just so I know how to do it. Oh yes, I see Miss Latin assigned another problem just like it. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. All right, good. Oh, what do I do again? Oh yeah, okay, I set them equal to each other. Because the diagonals of parallelograms bisect each other. Okay, I got that. All right, now I should do this other homework. All right, so I have to do this proof from last week that I didn't get a chance to do. So, okay, page 148. All right, number 1, okay. All right, so I have to write this proof. Okay, so I'm gonna write the given. Okay, so Rn equals this, and that equals, that's given. Okay. Oh, I don't remember. Oh, there's a theorem for that. I know. Well, instead of just writing or not writing it, because I don't remember, I'm going to look it up. Okay, so something about congruent triangles. Let me look at my theorems. If two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite those are also congruent. So I better write that. If the sides opposite a triangle, or what is it again? If the sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite them are also congruent. Okay. All right. Okay, good. All right, well, now I guess I better study for my test that I have coming up. So I think Miss Latin posted, she posted blank copies of those worksheets. So I'm gonna print those out and do them because I really need to work on my proof writing. And I'm really not comfortable yet using congruent triangles, so I think I'm gonna do those worksheets first. All right, so I'm gonna print that. Oh look, I just happen to have a blank copy right here that I've already printed. All right, okay, so I need my theorems, definitions, postulates sheet. All right, so I'm doing this proof. Now, I know Miss Latin always says to write everything out, but, so I guess I better make sure I do that while I'm studying too so that I build good habits. All right, so PR bisects QPS, so that means that these are equal, and PQ equals PS. All right, so, you know what, maybe I should take a Facebook break. I could really use a Facebook break. Okay, no Facebook breaks. All right, no Facebook breaks. Okay. Maybe I should go lie on the couch and do my studying there. No, that's not a good idea. I should sit here at my desk. Okay. But I just gotta text my one friend. Nope. Okay, no texting. All right. So PQ or QPS is being bisected. All right. So that means that. So I have to write that out because that's a given. And then, okay, so I remember if something bisects, it does something, but I don't remember what exactly, so let me look up that theorem so that I remember it. Oh, so if a line bisects an angle, then it divides it into two congruent adjacent angles, each half the whole. Okay, so I have to write out that whole thing. An angle bisector divides an angle into two congruent adjacent angles, each half the whole. Okay. Wow, you know, I think I'll remember that now next time since I've written it out and I've seen it. But maybe I should write that. Maybe I'm having a lot of trouble with that theorem. So maybe I should write that theorem out like 10 times. Okay, so an angle bisector divides an angle into two congruent adjacent angles. Okay, I'm going to write this out 10 more times. Alright, writing it out 10 more times. Make sure you write it out 10 more times. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my proof here. Alright, so I've got that angle QPR is equal to angle SPR, because that was an angle bisector divides an angle into two congruent adjacent angles. Oh, PR is equal to PR. Oh, I know that one. That one's reflexive. Okay, and now, well, I want that Q and S are equal. So I think that means I have to prove that these two triangles are equal. Oh, well, look, I have side, angle, side. Okay, so the triangle QPR is congruent to triangle SPR. Okay, and I gotta make sure I write those triangles right even though I'm just studying because I don't want to build bad habits. And then that was side, angle, side. And then, oh, angle Q is equal to angle S because of, oh, what is it again? CP, okay. Oh, CPCTC. Okay. All right. So now I just have to do the rest of these, and I've got these other blank ones that I can practice on too. Oh, and I better go back and redo all my homework problems because sometimes Miss Latin likes to put homework problems. Oh, and I should look at my problems from the notes because sometimes she likes using those problems too. All right, so maybe I'll make a schedule of what I'm going to do. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to practice the handouts. Okay, redo the homeworks and redo problems from the notes, and then write out theorems 10 times.